Good morning, my dear children. Today we are going to learn the new lesson, chapter 6. The name of the lesson, The King and the Spider. In this lesson about the king and the spider. Now let us start new lesson. Long ago there was a king. He had fought many battles and won. He was a wise, brave and kind ruler. People in his kingdom were very happy under his rule. Once there was a king. He had fought many battles and won. He was the king was a wise and brave and kind ruler. The king was very brave and kind ruler. The people in his kingdom were very happy under his rule. The people in his kingdom, the king's kingdom, were happy under his rule. The peoples were very happy under his rule. Now, one day the neighboring king attacked his country and the king lost the battle. Many of his soldiers were wounded and killed, and others ran away to save their lives. The king himself had to hide in a cave. He was very worried and sad. Once the neighboring king attacked his country. Once the neighboring king andre pakkada ರಾಜ್ಯದ ಕಿಂಗು ಅಟ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ರಾಜನ ಮೇಲೆ, ಕಿಂಗ್ ಮೇಲೆ. ದ ಕಿಂಗ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ದ ಬ್ಯಾಟಲ್ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಯುದ್ಧ. ಕಿಂಗ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಯುದ್ಧದಲ್ಲಿ ಸೋತ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಾನೆ. ವೈ ದ ಮೆನಿ ಆಫ್ ಸೋಲ್ಜರ್ಸ್ ವರ್ wounded and killed and others run away to save their lives. ಯಾಕೆ ರಾಜ ಸೋಲ್ತಾನೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ, many of his soldiers are wounded and killed. Who killed soldiers? The neighboring king killed the soldiers and some soldiers are run away to save their lives. The king himself and had to hide in a cave. Cave means, cave ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಗುಹೆ ಒಳಗೆ ಹೈಡ್ ಆಗ್ತಾನೆ ಕಿಂಗ್. He was very worried and sad. The king was very worried and sad. Here now look at the pictures. Snow king. The king lost the battle, and why? The many of his soldiers are wounded and killed, and some soldiers are run away to save their lives. The king hide in a cave. Cave ಅಂದರೆ ಗುಹೆ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಹೈಡ್ ಆಗ್ತಾನೆ. And he was worried and sad. Now, one day he saw a spider. One day the king saw a spider. The king sitting in the cave and looking at the spider. ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಸ್ಪೈಡರ್ನ ನೋಡ್ತಾನೆ ಕಿಂಗ್. One day he saw a spider going up the wall of the cave. Where we'll see the spider, the king, going up the wall of the cave. It climbed a little, but soon it slipped and fell down. It slipped and fell down. Spider ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಗೋಡೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಏರ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಹಾಗೆ ಬೀಳ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಆದರೆ ಅದು ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದನ್ನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಕಿಂಗು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾನೆ. ಸ್ಪೈಡರ್, ವಾಟ್ ಡು ನೋ ಸ್ಪೈಡರ್ ಕ್ಲೈಂಬಿಂಗ್ ದ ವಾಲ್, ಬಟ್ ಸೂನ್ ಸ್ಲಿಪ್ಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫೆಲ್ ಡೌನ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸ್ಲಿಪ್ಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫೆಲ್ ಡೌನ್. ಇಟ್ ಟ್ರೈಡ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫೆಲ್ ಅಗೇನ್. ದ ಸ್ಪೈಡರ್ tried again and fell again. The king thought, this little spider is trying so hard to climb the wall, but will it succeed? Here now look at the picture. The king is sitting in the cave looking at the spider. What was the spider doing? The spider doing in the little spider is trying so hard to climb the wall. But will it succeed? The spider did not give up. The spider did not give up. It kept on trying to climb and failing. This happened several times until the spider was able to climb the wall. Until the spider climbing the wall and finally succeeded. Seeing this, the king said to himself, if this spider, a small creature, the spider is a small creature, can you succeed by trying again and again? The spider is trying to again and again and finally succeed the climbing the wall. Why cannot defeat my enemies? The king thought, no, the why cannot defeat my enemies? The king got back his confidence. Confidence means the quality of trusting. The king is got back his confidence. The king, he united his soldiers and attacked his enemy. Again, the king united his soldiers and attacked his enemy. The battle continued for several days. The battle was continued for several days and he finally defeated his enemy. The king is finally defeated his enemy. This lesson, the moral about the lesson we learn from this story is try till you succeed. The try till you succeed. The finally at last he won the battle. The king was succeed the battle. It means never give. If you are planning and reach your goal, we should try until you succeed. Okay children, you learn and write, no, underline words and learn this lesson. Read this lesson. Keep learning. Thank you.